Constantly,
Go ahead.
constantly taking inventory on my pain. It's like I can't even partake in conversation. I'm all my focus, all my thought, is on pain, 24/7, 365. I slither off my bed in the morning. I don't even stand up anymore.
He would yell at me when I said good morning to him.
Yeah, so what happened then? The next morning you what?
Phil,
He said
I
good
said,
morning,
"Good
and
morning."
I couldn't believe it.
And Phil says, "This is too much. I can't take it anymore." And he says he has actually witnessed a miracle. He can't believe it because he's seen me every day, kneeling by my bed.
Yeah, let me see you. Let me see you do some of that calisthenic jumping around stuff.
Rock and roll.
That's crazy.
Dun, 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 dun.
That pretty much says it all, right?
It does.
Yeah.
5 years of crawling.
Tears.
Tears.
5 years of tears.
If it wasn't for medication, I'd be crying all day.
And
Crying.
now what?
I'd have jumped off the bridge. That's
Are
all there
you
is to
taking
it.
medication now?
Oh, yeah, I'm just weaning.
But you did say you had a plan that you no longer need to carry out.
Yep, I was planning my demise, but no longer need those plans. I figured with the pain meds, and it was getting worse and worse. So I was, didn't figure I'd last more than 2 or 3 years. Now, who cares?
You got another 100 years.
Yeah, I don't know if I want 100. I'll take another 20, though.
Your friends must be pissed off to hear that you.
That's what I tell them.
All
You
right.
got to put up with me.